Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft an apple evolution crop and grow a garden. So if you go to the crafting section here, you can select recipe and you can create an Evo Apple 1 first using these items. Unfortunately, I don't have the evolution pumpkin 4, but basically by making this, you can then craft evolution apple 2 and then apple 3 and then apple 4. But yeah, unfortunately I didn't get to like make my pumpkin evolution pumpkin 4 because I just didn't have time this week to like really grind this game. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.